Okay, this is Avenida Dr. Son Yat-sen, so we're gonna walk straight down this way. So before we go, we're just gonna show you a little context of this. This giant park right here goes all the way down, Peterbilt banyan trees. There's a new thing for kids to play over there. There's also the Science Center, and then the bridge to Taipa in Hong Kong, and then the Guanyin statue is over here. So we'll get all that out of the way, and then we're gonna start walking our street. So there it is right there. Giant Guanyin statue. I need to film over there, but it's kids, so I don't really like to film where kids are at, but it's like probably the biggest new park in Macau for kids to play on the waterfront. A science museum way over there too. Okay, let's get to our street. And that's the name of this, that's also the name of this road and also the name of that park right there too, if people want to follow and see where I am. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Dr. Son Yat-sen. Let's go explore. Let's say goodbye to Conciliacion Park. Straight ahead is MGM Casino. We're on the Macau side, and we're just gonna walk through. There's a bunch of bar, restaurants, things here that are closed at the moment or kind of slightly setting up. So you can see a little bit of that while you walk down it. This one's the Japanese one, as you can tell. It's an izakaya. They go upstairs on that one. Then you'll see lots of stuff here. So they'll set stuff up. YOLO, you only live once. It's about 4 in the afternoon right now, so Gold Coast oyster. I'll walk through the middle, I guess. So this one's all set up for lunch. Another one here. That's all part of Gold Coast. This is another one. Yeah, excuse me. I guess we have happy hour here. I don't know, might all be the same restaurant because all the tables are the same. Operium. Let's walk over on this side. Okay, Gold Coast and Operium. Must be all the same because they have all the same chairs and the same walls there too. I think the other ones are closed here. Here's they're closed today. They're not permanently closed. I've walked by them other times, but Pacific Wings is pretty popular with expats. Closed on Mondays. Okay, didn't know that. Never tried to come on a Monday. Red House. Got Christmas lights there. Pina colada, mojito, blue breeze. Every night. Okay. Dream. Little motorcycles park here. Yeah, it's not. I have filmed in here in the nighttime, but I don't really like to film people when they're drinking. So, you know, I don't know how people react to stuff. So I just kind of leave them alone. I mean, I leave my camera alone. I don't pull it out. Okay, so we're gonna go down all the way down to the bottom to the end of the street, north of the street. There's MGM. Something called Youth Spa right there. There's a lot of spas everywhere in Macau. There's a Portuguese restaurant that's amazing, Dom Galo. It's one of my favorite Portuguese restaurants. Okay, now we're on this cross street here. Fit Beauty. There's a couple of Korean restaurants in this area, including this one. Has really good food, amazing food actually. This one is, they sell iPhones. Taobao, I think. Paradise City, it looks like it's rental. Let's go this way. So they're gonna have a new restaurant here soon. I don't know what this means, domestic credit card general purpose. But there's a lot of these. They just kind of sell stuff that looks like it goes to the mainland or Chinese tourism community. But it always kind of says domestic credit card general purpose. don't know what that means. And now we're out at this area right here. And the MGM is straight ahead. And over here you got this beautiful black and white. So maybe we'll just kind of film in this area for a minute. Got McDonald's. So we'll just, there's the MGM right there, all the way up. Grand Lisboa. McDonald's is right there. So yeah, and that one is the, same with that one. Wynn. So it's a Wynn Casino. So right there's Wynn Casino, Grand Lisboa, President. There's like a little string of like all this kind of Macau strip, the old Macau strip. Sort of ocean thing here. I've filmed it many times. It's kind of the same. Hasn't changed too much since I've been here. MGM Lion. McDonald's is right there. This is end right on McDonald's. Okay, so we're on Avenida Dr. Sun Yat-sen at nighttime. So I just want to show you what this looks like in the nighttime as well. Before we do, just kind of show you this, what it looks like at nighttime too. This whole little park right here, this whole street, nice and well lit up. There's a few nice restaurants here. There's an Indian restaurant, you can sit outside, but I want to capture this Guanyin statue right there, so then I can see it at nighttime. I think I showed it in daytime, maybe, but that might not have came out very well. So let's just kind of go through at nighttime and just see what these bars look like. It's a Monday night, so so don't expect too much, but at least they'll be out. Maybe no. Maybe they're still closed. It is Monday night. I think I saw a sign for something that said it's closed on Monday. Some of the bars do close on Monday. And so there's the izakaya. That's you can see at least, but I think the bulk of people go upstairs and eat up there or drink up there. So yeah, it looks like it's maybe it's not really set up too much on a Monday night. So no, looks like it looks kind of the same as it did before. Kind of see the bar a little bit in this one now, and it's like there's also upstairs part. Oyster. Hello. Yeah. There's a few people now enjoying the food in the evening. A few are closed still. Looks like this one's open now. Pacific Wings is closed on Mondays. Hello. Let's see. Okay. So it looks like that's kind of the end of the street there. So we'll just jump up here and just see what we can see when we look at it from this angle. There you go, got some sports there, tables set up, and then the Korean ones are up that way too. I think we're just gonna end it right there. Hope you like it.